On the outside of all cells sits the cell membrane. Every single cell in your body, whether it be red blood cells, white blood cells, or liver cells, is lined by this cell membrane. For our next unit, we're going to be looking at some of the properties of the cell membrane. Cell membrane. What is the cell membrane made out of? Made of two lipid layers: hydrophilic ends, water-loving, and hydrophobic ends, water-hating. The outside of the cell, or the cell membrane, is similar to oil, or lipids. Because of that, oil and water don't mix, so you have these hydrophobic ends and hydrophilic ends. When stacked next to each other, it looks like this. This unique structure of the cell membrane allows water to be drawn to the cell, as well as being pushed away to make sure that there can be regulation of what goes in. What's the cell membrane's job? Acts like a gatekeeper, lets good things in, and keeps bad stuff out. As we see in this animation, along the top of the cell is made of tiny hundreds and thousands of little lipids. At some point, good things need to be able to come into the cell, like food, nutrients, and other such materials. When this happens, the nutrient is drawn to the cell membrane and allowed to pass through. If this was not a good material, the cell membrane would not allow it in, thus acting like a gatekeeper and preventing harmful substances from entering the cell. The cell membrane is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means that we'll let some stuff in and keep some stuff out, like a bouncer or security guard. Being semi-permeable ensures that molecules are sifted through to let good in and bad out. Not everything is let in, thus making it semi-permeable. Some in, some not.